Good work, contractor. Your Submittal 2, your circuit diagram has been accepted, and it's time to begin construction. When you are completed with construction, you are going to submit this building inspection request form. In the construction phase, you may use any structural material you would like for your shape of your rooms. Structural materials can include, but are not limited to, cardboard, foam board, shoeboxes, etc. Okay, to earn full credit here, you must make sure that you follow your circuit diagram exactly to include one room with a series circuit and one room with a parallel circuit that both operate from a 9-volt battery and have a switch on each of them. The following building suggestions. Switches can be made from brads and paper clips. Please watch the Making Switches video in order to see how to make videos. Your house will be powered by a 9-volt battery. Make sure 2 leads are there to attach to your battery. And insulated wire and lights from Holiday Lights will be provided. Build your circuit following your circuit diagram as closely as possible. If you would like the city to come around and check in with you to make sure your circuit works well before putting it into your rooms, please feel free. Please also use the battery to test your circuit to make sure your connections are good. Please watch the following video on cutting wires and stripping wires and attaching wires in order to make sure your construction goes well. Upon finishing your construction, you are going to put in a building inspection request. The following checklists will be used. Go over and conduct your own inspection first to make sure that you are not going to have to pay any fines for your circuits not working. You are going to, upon requesting a building inspection submittal, you are going to write a paragraph. It does not need to be a paragraph. It can just be bullet points addressing the following requirements. It is your way to show the building inspector that you have, in fact, done your own check before requesting the final inspection. This is the checklist that the inspector will use, that your series and parallel circuits work independently. There's a switch in each room. One room has 2 lights in series wired correctly. One room has 3 lights in parallel wired correctly. And all wire connections are neat and taped. The house is close to the size of the shoebox. If you do not meet any of these requirements, you will have to pay a 10-point fine that will be deducted from your final overall points. When you are done, the inspector will sign off and put down the approval date.